Hey guys, this is Desiree with Vapor Honing Technologies, and we get a lot of questions that come in. One of them that I get often is what you should do if you are afraid of media getting caught inside galleys or crevices of your components. You pretty much have two options. The first one would be to opt for soda blasting, whether it's with the dry blast unit or with the wet blast unit that we manufacture. Because soda is water soluble, you won't have to worry about it getting caught anywhere. A second option is you can media blast with glass bead or something other than soda, but you're going to want to post-process the part with a hydroblast to make sure you're cleaning all of that media out of your parts. For more information about this, visit our website or give us a call directly at 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.